everybody, this is meteorologist Andrew Pinero with this weather update on an unusual day on Saturday. It's so beautiful out. I had to get a weather update video for you guys. So let me show you here. Let me step off to the side and look at this beautiful scene here. We're seeing nice, beautiful green, the sun shining ever so slightly through it. And we have luscious green grass, thanks to a landscaper. But otherwise, it is still a very, very beautiful day. I have currently a temperature of 78 degrees. We're going to see in the Hudson Valley area where I am right now, we're going to see this top off maybe right around 80, 81 degrees for today. A little bit cooler once you head out to Long Island, just because the ocean influence there, so you're going to get a little bit of a sea breeze. So if you're heading out to the South Shore specifically, it's going to be a pretty good day. In Connecticut, maybe the shoreline of Connecticut, maybe a little bit of a sea breeze there, but not like the one that you'll get along the South Shore. Now, also, we're experiencing a little bit of this easterly wind right now. So my east is this way, and I'm getting that little bit of an easterly wind. So maybe also on the Jersey Shore, if you're heading out to the beach today, great beach day. If you're going to head out there, you may have that little bit of a sea breeze. Although the ocean temperatures, I did look, they're still a little bit cool in the mid 60s to maybe the upper 60s, but it may be a little bit of a nice little refresher, and then sit back out and enjoy the beautiful beach on this perfectly sunny day. Also, in terms of summer safety and sun safety, don't forget the sunblock, because in very bright sunny days like this, it's especially important. But even for those days that are completely cloudy, you're still getting ultraviolet rays coming through the clouds. That's actually what's making everything light. So you still have to watch out for your sun exposure through the day, but specifically on beautiful sunny days like this, you have to worry about that. So make sure you get, from what I've seen, SPF 30 kind of works fine. Reapply every so often. If you go into the ocean, you go swimming anywhere, then you come back out, make sure you reapply some sunblock, and you'll be pretty okay. If you don't sit on the beach for a few hours and forget to put on sunblock, that's a very bad thing to do, so don't do that. But otherwise, if you're going to the beach, today is the day to be out there. A light breeze out right now with the sunny skies. Now, what we're going to be seeing going into tonight, maybe a little bit of a cool down. We're not seeing that big of a drop in the temperatures. Then going into tomorrow, another beautiful day. It's just not going to be as sunny. A little bit more cloud cover. Then overnight Sunday into Monday. This is where we're going to see some rain starting to develop. Not a heavy rain overnight Sunday into Monday, but later Monday we're going to be seeing some showers and some lighter rain starting, but then overnight Monday into Tuesday, that looks like we're going to see our next heavy rain, and we could be seeing maybe even some thunderstorms pop up overnight Monday into early Tuesday morning, so definitely keep that in mind. Overall, for the week ahead, it does look like it's going to be a bit more on the wet side. But with temperatures, it's not going to be a cold rain any of these days that does rain. So it does look like Tuesday we'll be seeing some rain, some lower chances on Wednesday. And then going beyond that, we still always now with these warmer temperatures have this slight thunderstorm chance later on in the afternoons. It's just not that high at the moment. So if you want to get the latest weather forecast, don't forget to hit that little subscribe button below and then the bell icon right next to that so you get notified whenever I upload a video like this, or I do go live sometimes. This is meteorologist Andrew Pinero. Enjoy this beautiful day, whether you're at the beach, at the golf course, just being outside. Enjoy that, and I will see you all in the next video.